In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see yourself when speaking in Zoom. If you've ever started presenting and wondered why your own video looks tiny or disappears, this walkthrough will make your camera feed pop to the center so you can monitor framing, eye contact, and lighting while you talk. Start by joining your Zoom meeting as you normally would, either in the desktop app or the browser. Once your ear is in, make sure your camera is on and you can see your preview among the tiles. Take a second to sit at eye level with your webcam and face a light source so your image is clear. If your microphone is very quiet or muted, Zoom may not recognize you as the active speaker, so speak at a normal volume when you're ready to appear front and center. Next, look to the upper right corner of the Zoom window for the view control. Move your mouse to the top area if the toolbar fades, and if your window is very small, maximize it so as the control is visible. The view button opens a simple menu that lets you change how participants appear on your screen. This setting affects only what you see, not what others see. From that menu, choose Speaker View. In Speaker View, Zoom automatically enlarges whoever is talking. That means when you begin speaking, your video becomes the main image, making it easy to keep an eye on your posture and the background while you present. When someone else speaks, the focus shifts to them, then returns to you when you resume. Give it a quick test by saying a sentence out loud. You may notice a brief half-second switch, which is normal. A couple of tips while you use this layout. Minimize background noise so the focus doesn't jump away unexpectedly, and position any notes close to your camera to maintain natural eye contact. If you're sharing your screen, you'll still see your camera feed in a smaller panel. You can drag that panel to a corner that doesn't cover important content, and that's all you need. Join your meeting, open the View menu, and select Speaker View to see yourself whenever you're speaking. With this setup, you can present confidently, check your framing at a glance, and stay focused on your audience. If you prefer seeing everyone at once, that's called Gallery View, but for making sure your own video stays prominent while you talk, Speaker View is the most straightforward option. Remember, these changes affect only your screen, so feel free to adjust without disrupting the meeting.